In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in San Antonio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to confirm your payment safely and correctly. First, open your browser and go to the official City of San Antonio Municipal Court website at sanantonio.gov/court. This is the authorized portal for tickets issued within San Antonio, so using it helps you avoid third-party fees or scams. Look for the .gov address and the secure lock icon in your browser to confirm you're in the right place. On the court homepage, find and select Pay Ticket Online. You'll be redirected to the secure payment system. Before continuing, you'll be asked to read and accept the terms and conditions. These often explain how online payments are processed and what they mean for your case. If you plan to contest your ticket or request alternatives like a payment plan or a driving safety course, pause here and check your options on the site or contact the court before you pay, because submitting payment usually finalizes the case. Next, you'll look up your citation. You can search by your citation or ticket number, your driver's license number, or by your name with your date of birth. If you have your ticket handy, the citation number is typically near the top. If you don't, use your license number or your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, along with your date of birth in the requested format. Enter the details carefully and run the search to pull up your case. When your case appears, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the violation type, the total fine, and whether there's a scheduled court date. Make sure you're paying the correct citation and that the amount looks right. If anything seems off, stop and contact the court for clarification before proceeding. If all the information is correct, select Pay Now. Enter your debit or credit card details along with any required billing information. You'll likely see a small service or convenience fee added before you confirm. Use a secure internet connection, and once you submit, don't refresh or close the page until you see confirmation. Finally, save your receipt, download the confirmation page as a PDF, or take a clear screenshot and note the confirmation number and payment date. Keep this as proof of payment. It's a good idea to email a copy to yourself and check your bank or card statement. You can also revisit the court site later to confirm your case status shows paid. That's it. Your San Antonio traffic ticket is handled online quickly and securely. Pues, sí, 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 sí.